Today we are making this adorable little bunny basket. It's perfect for Easter eggs, candies or small gifts. The pattern is beginner friendly and works up really fast. All materials and the abbreviations are listed in the description below. Let's start together. Start with the magic ring. And make 7 single crochets into it. If you like, place a stitch marker in the last stitch so it's easier to follow the rounds. And join the round with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 2. Chain 1. Now make an increase in every stitch, which means 2 single crochet in each stitch. At the end of the round you should have 14 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Round 3. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then an increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. You should have 21 stitches. Join with the slip stitch. Round 4. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then make an increase in the next stitch. And repeat this pattern all the way around. So you will finish with the 28 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Now we'll start crocheting the basket walls. Round 5. Chain 2. This counts as the first double crochet. Now work double crochets around the post of the stitches instead of the top loops. Insert your hook around the stitch from the back, like this. And make double crochet. One more time slowly. Yarn over. Insert your hook around the stitch from the back. Pull up a loop. And finish the double crochet. Continue working 27 double crochets around the stitches. This technique helps the basket stand up and creates a nice angle between the base and the sides. Join with a slip stitch into the chain space. Round 6. Chain 2. Work a front post double crochet around the first stitch, like this. Then a regular double crochet in the next stitch. We are just repeating 2 stitches. Front post double crochet, and then regular double crochet. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Join with a slip stitch. Round 7 is worked exactly the same. Chain 2, then alternate front post double crochet and regular double crochet round the round. Join with a slip stitch. Round 8. Chain 2. This time we alternate front post half double crochet and regular half double crochet. Repeat this pattern around the round. Join with a slip stitch. Now let's add the bunny ears. This is the cutest part. Round 9, chain 1 and make 12 slip stitches. Now we'll crochet the first ear. Chain 8, turn the chain and make a slip stitch into the first chain. This creates a nice pinted tip. Chain 7, and now attach the ear with the slip stitch into the next stitch of the basket. Let's make the second ear. Make 1 slip stitch, chain 8, again make a slip stitch into the first chain to create the tip. Chain 7, attach it with the slip stitch into the next stitch of the basket. Now finish the round with 12 slip stitches. And join the round invisible like this. Cut the yarn, secure it, and weave in the ends. For the bunny tail, make a magic ring and crochet 7 single crochets into it. Join with a slip stitch and fasten off. Now simply sew or glue the tail to the basket. And that's it. Your little bunny basket is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet ideas. Happy crocheting!